Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena. If you're new, I would love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. Today, I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys my Nordstrom Anniversary Sale picks. This is actually the first year that I've truly participated in this sale. I was like ready at checkout the second it opened with all of my items, and even then I wasn't able to get some of the items, but that's okay. I still got some really good stuff that I'm excited to share with you guys. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, basically what it is every year they put all of their new fall items on major discount. So these items are not older pieces that have been sitting on the shelves. These are brand new items that are going on sale. For this video, I'm just sharing with you like my very minimal collection of just top items that I personally just absolutely love and that I will be keeping and will be wearing throughout the fall and winter seasons. The first one that I think is definitely worth it is the Pillow Talk set by Charlotte Tilbury. Pillow Talk is such a gorgeous shade on so many skin tones. So you get the lipstick, the lip gloss, and the lip liner. And I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see the color. It's just like the perfect everyday shade. So I have on the lip liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. So I have the whole Charlotte Tilbury kit on, and I think it's the most beautiful, perfect everyday pink color that's not too pink. It's kind of like a muted mauve-y pink. So it's really pretty. The next beauty item I picked up is the Clinique Moisture Surge Pack. I went ahead and stocked up on my favorite moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer all summer and it's just become my holy grail. It's a really nice hydrating gel cream formula. It's perfect for all skin types and it's supposed to work for 72 hours, and my skin just feels so hydrated and moisturized after using this product. So when I saw it in the sale, I had to stock up. The last beauty item that I think is worth picking up, this is my full size of the Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. Good Jeans is like my favorite product, and I've been raving about Good Jeans and Sunday Riley in general for so long, and it is very pricey, but they do have a set in the Nordstrom sale that includes a mini Good Jeans and a bunch of my other favorite products. So I think that would just be the perfect way to just introduce yourself to the brand and just try out a bunch of my favorite products. And all of those mini sizes would also be perfect for any summer traveling as well. There are so many cardigans and sweaters in the Nordstrom sale, but this one is one that I feel like is totally worth picking up. The material is super soft and buttery, and I just feel like it's a very good quality material. I love the length of it. It's a very modest length, and I like that it has these little slits on the sides. I'm definitely getting this in more colors because I feel like I will get so much wear out of these little cardigans. I want to order the creamy like beige colored one. I feel like I would get so much wear out of that one, but I also love this blush colored one, and you guys are definitely going to love this one. I think it's super cute. These boots, you guys, I am so glad that I was able to pick these up in the sale. They are the most beautiful suede chestnutty color. They're by Sam Edelman, I believe, and I love the block heel. I love the pointed toe, and I like how at the top it does have a little bit more room. So what that does is it kind of makes your legs look a little bit slimmer, if you know what I mean. They do give a little tiny bit of a slouchy look at the bottom because they're not like super tight, and I just think that is so cute, and I will definitely be getting so much use out of this in the fall and winter time. This next piece is a nude coat from Topshop, and I accidentally ordered a size too big. I got an 8 and I should have gotten a 6, so I feel like if I had gotten my regular size it would have fit me perfectly, but I went ahead and like tried to like slouch up the sleeves a little bit to make it look a little bit more effortless because it just is way too big on me. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it for the correct size because it's just absolutely beautiful. The quality is really there. I love the button detail, and I love the big like lapel collar. It's really good quality. Like I said, I love the length. It's just way too big on me. The color is just beautiful, like very light beige. I feel like it's a very beautiful nude colored coat. I just need a smaller size. Another piece that's in the sale is this gorgeous coin necklace. This is an amazing quality piece that I will wear over and over with like every single outfit. I'm such a fan. I have one almost exactly like this from Monica Vinader. So expensive, but this one on sale is like 40 something dollars. I would totally recommend you guys pick this one up in the sale. I absolutely love it. I have it on the longest length right now, so I think it's just perfect. Like that's the perfect length to layer with my hijab, so I love it. Speaking of Monica Vinader, this is my little classic bangle. that is actually in the Nordstrom sale this year. It is still expensive, not gonna lie, but it's totally worth it just because this is like my everyday bracelet. I have this in gold and rose gold, and I'm literally wearing this just as like a very minimal, like simple piece with all of my outfits. I'm excited that it's in the sale. Next, let's go ahead and talk about these jeans. So these are 7 for All Mankind jeans, and I love that they are wide leg and cut off at the bottom so they have a raw edge. The only thing is that they are a little bit too cropped for me. I'm 5'7" for reference, but I feel like if you're shorter than 5'7", wearing them with some tall ankle boots like these would just be absolutely perfect. I love the wash of them. They are so comfortable, and I just feel like they're so flattering if they were just a little bit longer on me for my preference. So I'm probably going to be returning these, but I wanted to mention them anyways, just in case you guys were interested in picking these up, especially if you're a little bit shorter than me. I want to talk about these boots as well because I'm just literally obsessed. I feel like they did so good with the boots this year in the Nordstrom sale. So these are some like kind of like nudie pink Mark Fisher booties, and I love that they come up a little bit taller around the ankle. I just feel like these are the most flattering booties. They come up a little bit higher in the front and a little bit lower around the back of the ankle, but the pointed toe is just so flattering, and since it does come up high around your ankle, I think it'd be perfect to wear with any of your cropped jeans or pants this fall. I wanted more colors in these boots. I had ordered like the light gray color as well, and I already have some black booties, or else I would have ordered the black as well because I love them that much. But for some reason, I guess they canceled my order just because they didn't have enough stock. But I just feel like Mark Fisher does pointed toe boots so well. Look how perfectly pointed that is. It's not too pointy. It's just the most beautiful silhouette of a shoe. I'm obsessed. So pretty. Now for a little bit of the loungewear that I got. So these joggers, I cannot tell you how in love with them I am. First of all, they're super soft and buttery. I would definitely sleep in these, but I feel like they're flattering enough that you could totally go run errands in these. You could go to class in these. I love the waistband. I think that is super flattering. I really want to get these in the black as well. So I would totally recommend these. I don't think these were very expensive at all. The next piece I want to talk about is this layering shirt. So I got it in gray and a berry color, and I really wanted to get the white, but I couldn't get my hands on it quick enough. So hopefully if they restock, hopefully they do, then I will grab a couple of the white ones as well. I like it because it's a crew neck, so it's a higher neckline. So it's perfect for layering and just having that modest neckline. It's a very soft, like just buttery material, you guys. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with so many of the pieces that I got because of just the quality. This gray one is ribbed, but the berry colored one that I got is a very smooth material, but both just perfect layered underneath coats, jackets, like any outerwear, just needs like a good layering piece underneath, and I think these are totally worth it. So very impressed. That is it for my Nordstrom sale picks. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys enjoy the pieces if you pick anything up. Everything will be linked down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.